If you're passionate about politics and the power struggles within, this is a story you need to hear. Tensions are brewing in Zimbabwe. Former liberation war fighters under the Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association have issued a stern warning to President Emmerson Mnangagwa. They urge him to respect the citizens and stop making idle threats. This comes after Acting Home Affairs Minister Jenfan Musware threatened those accused of engaging in subversive activities, stating their days are numbered. Musware blamed opposition groups, some politicians, and certain civil society organizations for trying to instigate anarchy. However, ZNLWVA chairperson Andreas Ethan Mathibela argued that the government should address the root causes of discontent. He stated, "A security threat arises from an uneven playing field by the government, where it partially accepts some and admits others as friends while deeming others as enemies. As long as there's that kind of subtle division, unity of purpose will not prevail." Stay tuned as we continue to track this developing story in Zimbabwe.